What is the primary pigment responsible for photosynthesis? A. Carotene. B. Xanthophyll. C. Chlorophyll. D. Anthocyanin. Answer. C. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy, primarily from the blue and red wavelengths, for photosynthesis. Which gas is released as a byproduct of photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer. B. Oxygen. Oxygen is released when water molecules split during the light-dependent reactions. Which part of the plant primarily conducts photosynthesis? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. Answer. C. Leaf. Leaves contain chloroplasts, which are the main sites for photosynthesis. What is the first stable product of photosynthesis in C3 plants? A. Oxaloacetate. B. Malate. C. Phosphoglyceric acid PGA. D. Ribulose bisphosphate RUP. Answer. C. Phosphoglyceric acid PGA. In the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide is fixed to RUP, forming PGA. Which enzyme is responsible for carbon fixation in the Calvin cycle? A. ATP synthase. B. Rubisco. C. NADP reductase. D. Pyruvate kinase. Answer. B. Rubisco. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase, Rubisco, catalyzes carbon fixation. Where does the light reaction of photosynthesis occur? A. Stroma. B. Thylakoid membrane. C. Cytoplasm. D. Nucleus. Answer. B. Thylakoid membrane. The light-dependent reactions take place in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. Which of the following is not a product of the light reaction? A. ATP. B. NADPH. C. Oxygen. D. Glucose. Answer. D. Glucose. Glucose is synthesized in the Calvin cycle, not during the light reaction. Which process occurs during the dark reaction of photosynthesis? A. ATP production. B. Oxygen evolution. C. Carbon fixation. D. Photolysis of water. Answer. C. Carbon fixation. The dark reaction, Calvin cycle, uses ATP and NADPH to fix carbon dioxide into organic molecules. Which wavelength of light is least effective for photosynthesis? A. Blue. B. Red. C. Green. D. Yellow. Answer. C. Green. Green light is reflected by chlorophyll, making it the least effective for photosynthesis. Which plants follow the crassulacean acid metabolism pathway? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Cactus. D. Maize. Answer. C. Cactus. Cam plants, such as cacti, open stomata at night to conserve water. What is transpiration? A. Water loss from roots. B. Water loss from stems. C. Water loss from leaves. D. Water absorption from soil. Answer. C. Water loss from leaves. Transpiration is the process of water loss as vapor from leaf surfaces. Which structures control the opening and closing of stomata? A. Xylem cells. B. Phloem cells. C. Guard cells. D. Mesophyll cells. Answer. C. Guard cells. Guard cells regulate stomatal opening and closing to control water loss. Which environmental factor increases the rate of transpiration? A. High humidity. B. Low temperature. C. Strong wind. D. Low light intensity. Answer. C. Strong wind. Wind removes moisture from the leaf surface, increasing transpiration. Which plant tissue is responsible for transporting water during transpiration? A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Epidermis. D. Parenchyma. Answer. B. Xylem. Xylem transports water from roots to leaves for transpiration and photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a function of transpiration? A. Cooling the plant. B. Transporting minerals. C. Providing carbon dioxide. D. Maintaining water flow. Answer. C. Providing carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide enters through stomata but is not directly related to transpiration. Which type of transpiration occurs through the cuticle? A. Stomatal. B. Lenticular. C. Cuticular. D. Guttation. Answer. C. Cuticular. Cuticular transpiration happens through the waxy cuticle of leaves. What happens when transpiration exceeds water absorption? A. Wilting. B. Increased growth. C. Increased photosynthesis. D. Decreased respiration. Answer. A. Wilting. Excessive water loss causes loss of turgor pressure, leading to wilting. Which plant hormone promotes cell elongation? A. Cytokinin. B. Auxin. C. Abscisic acid. D. Ethylene. Answer. B. Auxin. Auxins stimulate elongation in shoots and root development. Which hormone promotes fruit ripening? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellin. Answer. C. Ethylene. Ethylene is responsible for fruit ripening and leaf senescence. Which hormone inhibits growth and promotes dormancy? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Abscisic acid. D. Gibberellin. Answer. C. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid, ABA, prevents seed germination and induces dormancy. Which hormone stimulates seed germination? A. Gibberellin. B. Ethylene. C. Auxin. D. Abscisic acid. Answer. A. Gibberellin. Gibberellins promote germination by breaking seed dormancy. Which hormone induces flowering in long-day plants? A. Ethylene. B. Cytokinin. C. Gibberellin. D. Abscisic acid. Answer. C. Gibberellin. Gibberellins help in flowering, especially in long-day plants. Which hormone promotes cell division in plants? A. Cytokinin. B. Auxin. C. Gibberellin. D. Ethylene. Answer. A. Cytokinin. Cytokinins stimulate cell division and delay leaf senescence. Which hormone is responsible for tropic movements in plants? A. Cytokinin. B. Gibberellin. C. Auxin. D. Abscisic acid. Answer. C. Auxin. Auxins regulate phototropism, growth towards light, and gravitropism, growth in response to gravity. Which plant hormone delays leaf senescence, aging? A. Abscisic acid. B. Cytokinin. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellin. Answer. B. Cytokinin. Cytokinins help in delaying aging by promoting cell division and nutrient mobilization. Which hormone is known as the stress hormone in plants? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Abscisic acid. D. Gibberellin. Answer. C. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid, ABA, helps plants cope with drought stress by closing stomata. Which hormone is used in tissue culture to promote shoot development? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellin. Answer. B. Cytokinin. Cytokinins are used in plant tissue culture to induce shoot formation from callus. Which plant hormone is commonly used to induce fruit growth without fertilization, parthenocarpy? A. Gibberellin. B. Cytokinin. C. Abscisic acid. D. Ethylene. Answer. A. Gibberellin. Gibberellins help in fruit development without fertilization, as seen in seedless grapes. Which hormone promotes root growth when applied in lower concentrations? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Ethylene. D. Gibberellin. Answer. A. Auxin. Auxins in lower concentrations promote root initiation and elongation. Which hormone is responsible for the shedding of leaves in autumn? A. Gibberellin. B. Cytokinin. C. Ethylene. D. Abscisic acid. Answer. C. Ethylene. Ethylene induces abscission, shedding, of leaves, flowers, and fruits.